everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into your Aruba PEC account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in webmail.pec.it and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. To log into your account, go ahead and enter your PEC account information in the first text box. You'll need to type in your username associated with your account and type in your password on the next field, correct. If you've forgotten your password during logging in, click on the Forgotten Your Password link and follow through the password reset process. After you are done, if you'd like the system to remember you on this particular device, check this little Remember Me box. Leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. Select the version of your Aruba webmail between Smart to Classic, and finally click on the sign in button to get access to your account right away. That is how you can easily log into Aruba PEC account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.